It's been a little while since I had this one out for some love. Joe Caswell is most well known nowadays for his collaborations with Columbia River Knife and Tool, the morphing karambit and his provoke axe that's coming out pretty soon. But the EDX is really the one that put him on the map. This thing was so radically ahead of its time that it looks like it could have come out yesterday. This disappearing pocket clip just blew everyone's mind. And it's actually a deceptively simple folder. Let me show you. So you've only got 2 screws holding the whole thing together, making it incredibly easy to disassemble. The whole thing, that spring doesn't want to stay in place right now, is really only 5 major parts. You've got the lock bar with the integral pocket clip. And then you've got the blade, the slabs, and this big piano wire spring that drives it all. This piano wire spring is what pushes the lock bar into engagement with the blade. And then this little hump on the end here is what actually provides your detent with that pin right there. When it comes around, it pushes it up and over. Super simple. Oh, and one of the coolest things, this pivot. It is basically an adjustable bushing style pivot. You can adjust the pivot height with the inner torch there, and then you lock it down with a little special spanner tool that comes with the EDX so that it's just set it and forget it. Really, really cool. You got another bushing there for the pivot assembly for the lock bar. See if I can get this back together. Come on. I don't think I've ever put this back together on camera. Incredibly high tolerances on this thing. There we go. And now, pop it back together really quick. Come on. I was really hoping to keep this under 5 minutes. Might still be able to make it. We're almost there. Bam. Back together. Insane bank vault lockup. See if I can get some light in there. I don't think I can get the lighting right to be able to show you the the detent actually actuating in there. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, but that took me over 5 minutes. Anyway, yeah, the EDX is such an amazing piece. Joe only made, I want to say, like 3 runs of 50 of these. So there's maybe 150 of these on the planet to try and hunt down. They tend to go in the $1,500 to $2,000 range, depending on the state of the market at the time. And it's worth every penny. I want to say these were around $1,000 when they first came out way back in 2010. And that was a just jaw-dropping amount of money for a knife. It was way out of my price range. But fortunately, I was able to pick one of these up a few years back. Super awesome piece for the collection. So, hope you guys enjoyed that quick little peek inside a Caswell EDX. And I will catch you guys tomorrow. Hope you have a good day.